For customer service, we want to offer a solution where you can see what are the biggest problems of customers with my product.
Hi, we are at IFA. IFA Next is a great part of IFA and a lot of great startups, great new products. This is a symbolize of chargeable, reusable economy and circular economy. Yeah? We are about different models for IoT monetization, and a lot of those business models don't account sustainability. So here we are talking to different companies that have various approaches, what to do next, and welcome you to IFA Next.
Welcome to IFA 2025. Excited to have you here. We focus on developing software solutions with extended reality.
Hi Max, hi. I can see you have Avatar. Tell us more about your company and your product.
We are unframe. We are a little startup from Brandenburg here in Germany.
Yeah.
And we started as an XR company. So normally we're an XR student doing extended realities applications. Last year we did a project for a big insurance company.
Insurance company.
Here in Germany. And we did a custom avatar system. People loved it. People thought it was a very cool idea, but it was very expensive to do a custom project, of course, because custom every time is new customer. And we thought, let's do a platform where we enable everyone to use this kind of technology without having the big investment. And this was our social goal, to implement platforms. And here on the platform, we have built 3D models. So we try to get the avatars as efficient as possible to websites or other web-based applications. So we choose not to use video-generated avatars because video-generated avatars generate a lot of cost and latency. And we choose to do extremely optimized 3D models.
Optimized 3D models.
The 3D models of the people that you can customize here have 3 megabytes of size roughly.
Okay.
So the whole person with underwear, shoes and stuff is movable and has about 3 megabytes of sizes.
So that the whole model works on the edge, on the device, yeah?
Yes,
okay.
Completely on the device. So when you download a website, you download the avatar with the 2 megabytes, and then everything is generated as a web protocol on the device itself. So it must be efficient because you have like laptops without a GPU, without external GPUs, you have old smartphones and stuff. And it has to be very performant so that you don't shut down a website.
All right, so tell us something more about your business model and how you monetize this. Yeah?
Yes, our business model is pretty clear. We offer a lot of customization so that the customer doesn't have the need to do custom projects with us. They don't have to. They can, of course. We offer.
So it's more like a turnkey solution, yeah?
Yes.
Like with several options. Yeah?
Yes, it's like an option for everyone. So you can customize the optic of the avatar, the appearance. You can customize the behavior via drag and drop. So you can just say, okay, I give him some character traits. So like be sarcastic, be motivating.
Okay, so you customize the appearance and the voice, yeah?
Yes, the voice, the way he talks, also the answers. So you can customize the prompt. Okay. And the reason for that, for the monetization, is that we have a big customer base because customers don't have to be smart with doing prompts. They don't have to get their own AI experts in their company. So there can be companies that didn't work with AI at all. They don't have to know anything about this whole stuff. And they can have a data secured German solution because everything is working on German servers. And we are working a lot on data security to get it all anonymous and efficient.
And they can build probably a simple process for the company around that, without like very long queries and stuff like that.
Yes, so we have 2 parts for the business model. One part is the customer can do it itself, so we are very cheap. So we can offer subscription starting at 20 euros a month for Avatar. That's the cheapest one. And that enables the customers to use it without thinking that much, without expecting the big photorealistic solution because it's efficient. And on the other hand, we also, this is the other part, we offer a subscription model based system for getting a revenue that is for us, it's like plannable revenue. For the customer, it's cheap because they don't have initial big costs, and talking to an avatar generates cost. Every time you talk, you have like voice generation, you have speech to text, because you can also talk with the avatar as a user with your voice and he answers with voice. So that's the reason that we choose a subscription model. but we also offer custom solutions where customers can choose their own avatar. So they can come to us and say, okay, I want my CEO as an avatar. I want a specific one. Like a museum in Berlin. We have a museum in Berlin right now, and they want a paleontologist. So they came to us and said, build us a perfect paleontologist as a custom avatar solution. And then we use our system behind the avatar. So we can offer one-time integration costs for the system, one-time 3D modeling costs. So we have one-time income, and then we have the subscription model, so that we have
so
monthly revenue.
You have several models that you can help the customer to choose, and also to be flexible for them. Yeah, this is exciting. Yeah, do you gather some data that you can later on use, provide some insights for your customers?
Yes. Not right now, because we just launched the beta.
But that's your vision. Yeah?
Yes, the vision is we work with a university right now to get like interactive teacher for the students, and we want to integrate it seamlessly in the university system. So every student has their own teacher for them, and he gets to know the student.
The
teacher itself, the teacher by herself or himself, gets like results or an overview. What are the topics that my students have most problems with? So he gets like anonymous results. Also for customer service, we want to offer a solution where you can see what are the biggest problems of customers with my product. So you get like 30% of your customers have problem with the lever.
All right, so this is great. This is very innovative, and I like the fact that you not only innovate on technology, but also on how people can use that and monetize it. Would you like to add anything else?
I hope that everyone can be cool and innovative, but stay social. So our solution should be easy and flexible for everyone. That's the reason we choose a cheap subscription model. And we hope that everyone can work together instead, beside and against.
All right. Thanks, Max, for a great story.
Thank you.
And looking forward to see more.
Thanks.